Number 6. The Lectric XP Lite Electric. Bike is a compact and accessible folding e-bike designed for urban commuters and casual riders who prioritize portability, simplicity, and efficiency without compromising on performance. Built on a lightweight, yet sturdy 6061 aluminum frame, the XP Lite weighs just 46 pounds, making it one of the most portable electric bikes in its class, perfect for lifting into car trunks, storing in apartments, or taking on public transit. Despite its minimalist design, this bike comes equipped with a 300 West rear hub motor that peaks at 720 West, delivering smooth, consistent power that can tackle mild inclines in city streets with ease. It offers pedal assist and a twist throttle, giving riders the choice between a light workout or effortless cruising. The removable 48 volts lithium-ion. Number 5. The Sohamo S3 Step-thru Foldable Electric Bike redefines convenience and style for urban mobility with its thoughtfully engineered step-thru frame and easy fold design, making it accessible and adaptable for riders of all ages and abilities. Crafted with a robust yet lightweight aluminum alloy construction, it folds down effortlessly for compact storage in car trunks or small apartments. Beneath its sleek frame lies a powerful 350W geared hub motor that smoothly delivers up to 750W peak power, providing strong acceleration and the ability to tackle gentle hills with confidence. Riders can choose between 3 levels of pedal assist. Number 4. The Rad Power Expand 5 Plus Electric Folding Bike merges robust utility with compact convenience, tailored for those seeking a reliable everyday e-bike that's easy to transport and store. Its heavy-duty frame is designed to support up to 300 pounds while still folding down into a manageable size that fits in car trunks, closets, or under desk storage. Driven by a powerful 750W geared hub motor that peaks at over 900W, the bike offers spirited acceleration and competent hill climbing ability, complemented by Fireburst pedal assist and throttle control for flexible ride styles. Riders can expect a generous range of 25 to 40 miles per charge, owing to the integrated 48V lithium-ion battery that can be quickly removed for convenient recharging. The 20-inch wheels with puncture-resistant tires, reinforced by front suspension, ensure a smooth, stable ride on both urban streets and light trails. Dual mechanical disc brakes deliver strong and reliable stopping power in varied conditions, while the intuitive LCD control panel displays real-time information such as speed, distance, and battery life. Fitted with adjustable handlebars, an ergonomic saddle, and integrated lights, the Rad Power Expand 5 Plus strikes a balance between performance, comfort, and practicality, making it an impressive choice for commuters, adventurers. Number 3. The Gocycle G4 is a sleek, high-end folding electric bike that blends cutting-edge design with seamless urban functionality, engineered by a former McLaren designer. With its fast-folding frame and handlebar mechanism, it collapses in mere seconds into a compact package that can easily roll on its puncture-resistant 20-inch wheels. Weighing just under 17 kilograms, it's remarkably light for a fully equipped e-bike. Beneath the carbon fiber front fork and molded composite mid-frame lies the proprietary 500W G4 drive front hub motor, delivering smooth, powerful acceleration and exceptional hill climbing ability. Its Cleandrive design encloses the Shimano Nexus 3-speed drivetrain within a magnesium swing arm, creating a low-maintenance, tidy profile. Riders enjoy 3 modes: Eco, City Plus, and on-demand customizable via the intuitive LED bar display or the Gocycle Connect app over Bluetooth. The integrated USB-C port is perfect for charging devices on the go, while hydraulic disc brakes ensure confident stopping power. With a quick removable 300 Wh battery offering up to 40 miles per charge and built-in lighting, The G4 earns its place as a beautifully engineered, portable commuter companion that doesn't compromise on performance or style. Number 2, the Tern GSD S10, a folding electric bike, is an engineering marvel built to handle the chaos of urban living and family logistics, all within a compact, foldable frame. Despite its relatively short wheelbase and 20-inch wheels, it carries an astonishing gross vehicle weight of 210 kilograms, making it more than capable of transporting kids, cargo, groceries, or even towing a trailer. The real powerhouse behind this machine is the Bosch Cargo Line motor, delivering up to 85 Newton-meters of torque and offering a 400% boost in pedal power, which allows for smooth acceleration and effortless hill climbs even under heavy load. With its dual battery system, standard 400 Wh with an optional 500 Wa, the GSD S10 provides an impressive range of up to 196 kilometers, making it ideal for long errands or extended commuting without constant recharging. The flat fold design enables the bike to fold down quickly, and with the ability to park vertically, it fits neatly into compact urban spaces, elevators, or car trunks. Its adaptable cockpit fits riders from 150 centimeters to 200 centimeters tall, ensuring comfort for a wide range of users. While premium components like Magura hydraulic disc brakes with optional Bosch ABS, a suspension fork, and integrated front and rear lights offer exceptional safety and ride comfort. Add to that a sturdy dual-leg kickstand, built-in alarm, GPS tracking, and a USB-C charging port, all tied into Bosch's smart system, and the Tern GSD S10 transforms into more than a bike. It's a compact, foldable, car-replacing mobility solution built for modern urban life. Number 1, the Mate City, is a strikingly modern folding electric bike that strikes an ideal balance between urban practicality and spirited performance, making it a standout choice for city commuters. Its 250W rear hub motor offers brisk, responsive acceleration, easily reaching speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, with the potential to unlock up to 32 kilometers per hour for those craving a bit more thrill on their daily rides. Housed within its sleek, angular frame